What's up, guys? This is my back house. I started almost a year ago today. Put the concrete, whatever you call those things, sono tubes or whatever, into the ground, and just got the Shou Sugi Ban up. And yeah, getting back into it. Took a little bit of time off for some other projects. We put in a dry well and a French drain here in the backyard, and had some other stuff, vans, some other work to do, and now we're getting back to this thing. So yeah, I got the Shou Sugi Ban up. I'm gonna do the whole thing in Shou Sugi. It might not all be like the gator skin style like this is. It might be some other things, bring some accent colors in and whatnot. Yeah, let me show you around this thing and the inside. All right, so walking in, we got the front door. There'll eventually be like a deck right here. It's kind of an afterthought, but should have saw it coming. A lot of this stuff is an afterthought. But yeah, I want a Dutch door. Come in here. Wow, okay. Be a window here. This will be kind of like the media wall, probably record players and speakers. That Dutch door there, you can open the top of it, little window, bring in some light as well. Yeah, this wall, I built this wall first and then took some time off, and that's why it's all weathered, because it just laid on the ground for a while. But yeah, so got a little dark, but she's solid, baby. Swinging around, here's one of the windows that'll go in here. These are all windows from a trailer that I got. And then it was like a piece of junk and fell apart. So I destroyed it one Saturday and kept all the windows. Keep a little bit of this, the trailer that was gonna be back here, keep it alive. In some part, you know. Bathroom here in this corner. This will be like a little kitchen area. Kind of in between these two windows, be a bathroom window. And then this kitchen area, and then window right there. Bedroom right here. That window was for this big window, but I didn't have the window on me, wrote the dimensions down and it's wrong, doesn't fit, so I need to figure out that. Whatever, here we go. And yeah, this will just be kind of a whole open concept idea. Imagine like a couch sitting in this area and all your sweet speakers right there, bada bing. So it's like 8 feet tall, a little higher than 8 feet right in there, and then it kind of goes all the way up to a little past 10 feet, and then we slope back down to 8 feet. On the roof, I'm planning on doing a living roof up there. I don't really know how that'll work out, but that's what I'm going for. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Hoping to rent it out, but really kind of same thing with vans. Like I always wanted something to build, and vans, you go buy a van and you didn't need to have property or anything. And so I just wanted to build stuff. And I've always wanted to build an actual like structure. I got a house with my old lady, and we're doing a lot of work back here, building this house, making gardens. Eventually we'll have a shop, probably back here, a little wood shop, have some chickens, and you know, do that whole song and dance. So yeah, this whole thing, it's just kind of a little test project, seeing what I can do, seeing how it'll come together. There's no plans for this. It comes with a lot of challenges, which I'm finding, but having a whole lot of fun doing it this way. Hopefully making more things to do with this back house. Give us a like, give us a follow, give us a subscribe, hit the bell, you know the whole deal. Yeah, stay tuned for some more.